At this point, it's
you don't see this. Like if you're coming down the road and this thing's next to you, like forest, and he's like, yeah. You're like, oh damn.
You just get off at the next exit. You're like, I don't know where I'm going, but away from him.
I'm going right back to the dealership where I bought my car. What do you think this will put down today? Or
I'm hoping the upper half of 6, but we'll see. Clark doesn't think any 35R can do that, so.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a wager between you and Clark?
No, he's just like, put it on the dyno, have Colin do some pulls, and then we'll go from there.
Sweet.
So.
we'll see what the logs look like anyway.
What is that?
This is, oh, I gotta close that. This is if you want to just have the refrigerant go through here, not in the bay.
Got it.
In the
cabin.
What do you call it? Cabin. So it's just less of a load on the AC system, which I'm glad you said that. I'm gonna close it.
Now is a stock AC pump?
Yeah. Unfortunately, nothing else fits.
Yeah.
But that can handle when it's open all the way around, all the loads? I guess so, right? It's just a pump.
Yeah. Yeah, the compressor does a good job. It's just, there's no way to get an increased capacity one to fit in front of this thing.
Yeah.
Then my water, this supply line goes down behind it. So actually I have to cut out the back of the bracket to get it to fit.
There's a lot of plumbing in this.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Hey, it's different. Oh, that's it.
My dad's an old mechanic. He's like, you need to be a plumber for this car, not a mechanic.
Look at the hop switch setup.
Seriously, there is a crazy amount.
It's all its own relay setup.
Ken, you got at least like $1,200 in fittings in this bad boy.
At least.
At least. This thing is so deceiving.
I love this.
All right. Let's
As Pat would say, let's send it. Let's send it.
So I know we kind of caught you guys in the middle of the mix. Basically, the gentleman came through with his quotable 600 horsepower Forester XT. It's a beaut because it looks stock and you would never know what it has under the roof, or hood, or bonnet, wherever you're from. And we're gonna do some pulls, figure out what she does. She's a high rever, 8500 I heard, and it's basically the gist of it. I'll catch you up. You ready to party?
Yeah. See what she does.
No?
We'll see.
He's like so modest about it. He's like, I felt that in my chest. He's like,
The intake manifold is water cooled, so there's water going into and coming out of it. It goes to the front. There's a reservoir, then a circulation pump, then a refrigerant cooler for the water, then it goes back in inside.
What? Oh my god. I've never seen anything like that.
It's just not necessary. You can make more power with less stuff. Do less, but I wanted to do more. So.
You did 517 or something?
That seems very low, man.
I think it's 14 minutes. 450 to 500 for 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So that it feels linear.
Yeah. Yeah, the only reference I've had is my buddy has a C6 Corvette with a Pro Charger on it. It makes 670 at the wheels and 660 torque. And I'm right next to it, like glued to his door.
Yeah. Hey, that sounds about right.